This is the Sortivus fire resistant money pouch. Company sent me this product to check it out and make a video for it. So let's do it. It arrived safely wrapped in plastic. Nothing to worry about there. The bag is 9 inches long and about 6 inches wide, and it's very lightweight. It has multi-layer protection. They have fireproof fabric, aluminum foil, shielding cloth, 8 insulating layers, and they say that it can withstand temperatures up to 5,200 degrees Fahrenheit. So that'll buy you time to secure whatever you place in here in the event of a fire. I don't think anything's actually 100% fireproof, but fire resistant up to 5,200 degrees Fahrenheit is pretty good. So there's a Velcro strip here to secure the front flap, and the bag has a spring clip on the top that keeps it firmly closed, which is cool because there are no zippers or buttons you have to deal with. It just auto shuts itself. When you put your items into the bag, you're just going to want to make sure that the spring clip is able to close all the way with no gaps. I was experimenting with it, and I would be comfortable putting about 1 inch worth of items inside of there, 1 inch thick, as long as the 1 inch is toward the bottom of the bag. Let me show you. So I got some cash here with a money clip. Got my phone. Just to give you an idea of the size of this, everyone knows what these microwave popcorn things look like, but with this together, it's about 1 inch. Let me stuff that in there. Now you can see that I got the bag and there's kind of a gap right there. You can see as I'm closing the thing here and Velcroing it, I'm assuming that that's going to seal it up tight, and I've got about 1 inch worth of stuff in there. Pretty happy with that. I have no way to test this, but they say the pouch is designed with a shielding layer to block RFID scanners. So it will be obviously great for carrying key fobs, credit cards, USB drives, stuff like that. So there you go, compact and practical fireproof money bag that can easily fit into a handbag, a briefcase, a backpack, possibly a larger pocket. Would be great for daily use with the RFID protection, great for travel, great for peace of mind. I'm going to use this for my cash and my passport that I keep in my safe. Very nice.